we'll have a joint statement later. Just wait for it. Pero personally, so disgusting. Another waste of taxpayers' money. Colleagues from the majority did not show up today. An ordinary government employee, suspendido si Santi pag hindi pumasok, police, military, AWOL. Pag kami, ganun-ganun lang. I mean, walang penalty, walang violations.
What happens next?
I don't know, we have to talk about it. And I heard and I think the reason why they didn't show up in support of Jimbo Estrada. And the sinasabi ni Senator Cayetano, independence, independence. Hindi naman kami under sa executive, hindi na under sa amin executive. I mean, we're not under the executive, we're not over the executive, diba? I mean, sinasabi reason why they didn't show us because parang mga nangyari, mga sunod-sunod, huli kay Jinggoy, parang they're supporting the man. The ombudsman's just doing his job, so I don't know.
Do you consider this as a boycott ng majority sa session?
I don't know if it's a boycott or whatever they want to call. Sana mahiya naman sila.
Pero sir,
I mean, we're paid. I mean, you guys are paying us our salaries. Then you don't come to work? What the heck?
may panawagan doon sir for the Senate to go silent para daw dun sa independence. Your response to that?
No, of course not. You wait for a statement or joint statement. Of course, definitely not. What independence? We've been independent all along. We're not under the Senate. We're not under the executive. We're legislative, diba? We're different. Okay, 3 branches of government. We're one of them. I don't know what they're talking about the independence. We're independent ever since. Ano, pinamanipula kami ng Malacanang? No, of course not.